Hello, everybody, and welcome to February 2021. Here's the Grange CCCU Assembly, Upper Key Stage 2. We know what the Grange CC way is. We want to all be caring people. We want to really be trying our best. We want to learn, even from our mistakes, as painful as it is. We learn from them. We go for improvement and progress. We use all our learning, all our education to help us to make great choices as we go forward in life. And we never give up, and that is what a CC learner is. We know about physical strength. It's important to eat well and to exercise. That helps you to overcome physical challenges and to live well, but your real strength comes from inside your character, and it can help you overcome any challenge, and it helps you solve any problem that you face. Not going to be easy, but you dig deep into your character, and that's what we always say at Grange. Character strength is what counts. It helps you to solve your problems. And when you're going forward in life, you ask yourself every time you face a difficult problem, a challenge, you say to yourself, which character strength am I going to use to get through this? And that's our Grange CC way. Confidence for yourself and consideration for the world and for everybody else in the world. It's a wonderful balance that makes the world a better place. It's a philosophy for life. So, who are our CC learners, our CC stars of the week? Well, bouncing in is Jackie and Masood and Kiana and Aisha and Dara and Race and Anastasia and Anushanth and Maha and Bianca. Excellent work, gold people. Complimented by Bashir. Well done, Bashir. And Grange House of Water. Fantastic week, 3,894 points. Shiley, Grace, Pharrell, Pirahatis, Aliyah, Zara, Diana, Martina, Kavish, Madi, Wissam, Zara, Arya, Nora flying in with 53, Ayana flying in with 59, Ilya with 59, Bavita with 83, and Cosmina gets a swivel with 102. Well done. And in the Grange House of Fire, 3,825 points. Serena, Farad, Soraya, Harun, Eric, Samia, Ansar, Shana, Vishwesh, Medina, Haider, Rushil, and Patrick. Great work. Myrtika flying in, Elfie flying in, Isaac flying in, Princess flying in, and Amos gets a swivel. Well done. And Grange House of Air, it is 4,115 points. I'm going to point out Grange House of Air. I think it's the first time you've topped the leaderboard. 4,115 points. Well done to you. Bashir, Faris, Shravan, Krasian, Kiana, Reza, Nicoletta, Ajay, Sarah, Blessing, Mora, Sabrine, Ned, Diraj, and Jackie. Fantastic to see all of you. Masood, Ibra, Dara, Imran, Mohammed, Mustafa, Abdullah D. Flying in is Jaden, Amrit, Sana S. Well done with 66. Dua, 71. And Bianca gets a score with 72. Well done. Grange House of Earth, 4,060 points. Zohaib, Samra, Ibrahim, Asia, Jamal, Ayub, Lala, Alicia, Hedron, Aitan, Danusha, Adam, Stefania, Lion, Sumaya, Alex, Ali, R, Jabril, Anastasia, Habiz, Dikshan, Max, Sana H, Aisha, Anushanth, Lena, Flying in is Jody, Divian, and Evelina, Michelle, and the swivel goes to Wasim with 104 points, and tied with Race with 104 points. I think that's the first time we've had a double swivel there. Well done to the whole Grange community. 15,894 points, just below the record breaking of last week. Brilliant. Now, who are my classy classes? Well, Mandela class with 603 points. Well done. Gandhi class with 892 points. Well done. Nice to see you there. And the swivel goes to the tremendous Tubman class with 1,247 points. Brilliant work. So our half-term target was 50,000. Look at it. We've smashed it. 66,153 points. We're going to make it. We made it. We've had the reindeer. We've had the Freddy the dog. We're going for our jungle pot plants. We're going to be great. We're going to be Grange. We're going to live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead. Be safe and happy. Be brilliant CC learners. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be people of character. Children of Grange, you are awesome and amazing, and you have a wonderful week ahead of you. Keep going strong. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.